Hello, dreamers! Welcome back to the world of beauty and self-expression. Today, let's talk about the secret to a polished look, your eyebrows. They often get overlooked, but trust me, they play a vital role in your overall appearance. They're the frames for your eyes, shaping your entire face. Think of them as the architectural foundation of your look. Well-groomed brows lift your features and express emotion, even without words. They can convey surprise, happiness, or even a subtle hint of skepticism. Defined brows bring balance and harmony, like the final brushstroke on a painting. They pull everything together, creating a cohesive and aesthetically pleasing look. Don't worry if you've struggled with your brows before. Everyone starts somewhere. It's a journey of experimentation and finding what works best for you. Perfect brows aren't about boldness. It's about neatness and enhancing your natural features. It's about working what you have, not against it. Think of your face as a canvas. Brows provide the essential structure. They define the angles and curves that make your face unique. Without them, your features can feel lost. It's like a painting without a frame. It just doesn't have the same impact. A little shaping and filling can make you look instantly more put together, even with minimal makeup. It's a quick and easy way to elevate your everyday look. It's not about creating new brows, but enhancing what you have. Embrace your natural shape and work with it to create a look that's uniquely you. Forget past brow mishaps. Today, we start fresh. Every day is a new opportunity to experiment and refine your technique. Small, gentle steps can transform your look and boost your confidence. When you feel good about your appearance, it radiates outwards. Brows are more than hair. They're a tool for self-expression. They're a way to showcase your personality and individual style. Let's unlock their potential and let your inner artist shine. So grab your tools and let's get started on creating the brows of your dreams. Let's build your brow toolkit. It's all about having the right products at your fingertips to create your desired brow look. With just a few essentials, the building blocks of great brows. We're talking about the core items that will help you shape, define, and set your brows perfectly. Pencils, powders, and gels. Brow pencils are great for beginners. Use them for precise hair-like strokes. They allow you to mimic the look of natural brow hairs with ease. Always choose one with a fine tip and a spoolie for blending. The spoolie is key for softening any harsh lines and distributing the product evenly. Powders add soft volume, perfect for naturally thin brows, and are easy to build up. You can create a subtle enhancement or a more defined brow, depending on your preference. Use an angled brush for a clean, natural look. This type of brush allows for precise application and helps to create a defined shape. Brow gels, clear or tinted, set your brows in place and add quick color and volume. Tinted gels are a great option for adding subtle color and definition in one step. For shade, go 1 or 2 shades lighter than your hair for a natural effect. This prevents your brows from looking too harsh or overpowering your features. Dark hair? Try charcoal or soft black, not jet black. Jet black can often look too severe and unnatural, especially against the skin. Blondes look best with ash or taupe. Redheads go for warm auburn. Avoid overly warm tones unless you have red hair. Always swatch before you buy to check the true color. This will help you avoid any unwanted surprises and ensure a perfect match. With the right tools and shade, you're set for flawless brows. So go ahead and experiment to find what works best for you. Ready to map your brows? Here's a foolproof technique. Use a pencil or brush to find 3 key points: start, arch, and tail. Start. Hold the pencil vertically from your nostril to your brow. This is where your brow should begin. Arch. Angle the pencil from your nostril over your pupil. This is your natural arch. Tail. Pivot the pencil from your nostril to the outer corner of your eye. This is where your brow should end. Mark these points lightly. Connect the dots with a soft line along the bottom edge of your brow. Use a light hand. This is just your outline. This mapping technique ensures your brows are perfectly proportioned for your face. Once mapped, you have a custom guide for filling and shaping. It takes the guesswork out of brow shaping. Let's move on to filling them in. Now let's fill in your brows for a natural look. Use your pencil to draw tiny hair-like strokes, following your hair's direction. Start at the bottom and flick upwards with light pressure. Focus on sparse areas, especially the arch and tail. Keep the front of your brow soft. Avoid heavy product here. Use a spoolie to blend, creating a gradient from light at the front to darker at the tail. Blending is key for a seamless, professional finish. Brush hairs up at the front, then outwards at the arch and tail. For extra definition, use a flat brush with a bit of concealer to clean up the bottom edge. Blend concealer down for a lifted, crisp look. This step is optional but great for special occasions. With these tricks, your brows will look naturally flawless. Practice makes perfect. Soon you'll master your ideal arch. Let's dive into the world of eyebrow perfection and learn to avoid common brow mistakes that can sabotage your look. We want to ensure that every stroke, every shade, and every shape enhances your natural beauty, not detracts from it. Mastering these techniques is key for a flawless finish. One of the most frequent errors is selecting the wrong shade. Don't pick a shade that's too dark or warm. It can make your brows look unnatural and overpowering. Instead, stick to cool, ashy tones unless you're a redhead, in which case warmer tones can complement your hair beautifully. Another pitfall is creating harsh, angular shapes. These can make your face appear severe. Instead, aim for a soft, natural curve that follows your brow bone's natural line. After applying product, blend with a spoolie to soften lines. This crucial step will prevent blocky brows and create a more diffused, natural look. Remember, less is more, especially at the front of your brows. Use minimal product at the front. This technique is essential for a natural gradient, where the color gradually deepens towards the tail. And finally, don't extend the tail too far. It can drag your face down. Instead, stop at the outer corner for a lifted look that enhances your eyes. For maintenance, tweeze only stray hairs outside your shape. Remember, never overpluck, as it can be difficult to regrow those hairs. To minimize discomfort, tweeze after a warm shower. The heat opens up the pores, making hair removal easier and resulting in less discomfort. If unsure, see a pro once for shaping. Once you have a good shape, then maintain at home. To promote healthy brows, nourish brows with castor oil or serum. Incorporate this into your routine at night for healthy growth and to keep them looking their best. Finally, be gentle when removing makeup. This will help to avoid losing brow hairs and maintain their fullness. By incorporating these habits into your daily routine, your brows will stay healthy and beautiful, framing your face perfectly. You've got this. With consistent care and attention, enjoy your best brows ever.